Hi, fellow traders wherever you are. Here I will briefly explain solid and clear about the introduction of currency or forex trading bots using the MT4 platform or the MT5 platform from the Metatrader software. There are many trading platforms that are used to create trading robots, one of which is the MT4 platform. What is MT4? Which stands for Metatrader 4, is the world's most popular online trading platform for trading currencies, commodity CFDs, and indices. Why MT4? Because the majority of traders still use this online trading platform and most recently some use MT5. Then what is a trading bot? Trading robots on the MT4 and MT5 platforms are often called expert advisors, which are computer programs that analyze the market through various algorithms that are connected to the trading platform and can open, manage and close trades in the financial markets automatically. How does this MT4 and MT5 trading robot work? Expert advisors can work on the Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 platforms specifically for Windows because this trading robot requires online all the time to analyze a week in 5 days non-stop, so a Windows VPS is needed. What is a Windows VPS? VPS stands for Virtual Private Server, is a server service that has been created with virtualization technology to increase effectiveness and efficiency. Windows VPS can also mean a server computer with Windows OS that is always active for 24 hours non-stop. It's easier to say that we have a desktop PC that is always active. How to get Windows VPS service? There are many Windows VPS service providers. You can rent monthly or annually with varying prices. What are the uses of trading robots? In general, trading robots only carry out tasks according to the program in them, namely, trading, opening and closing orders automatically without interfering with manual trading. Many manual traders are constrained by psychology and trade management. These trading bots are designed to remove the psychological elements of trading that can harm traders and help with proper money management. Keep in mind, a trading robot is just a tool or an assistant in trading. The right decision remains for yourself, and this tool depends on how it is used. It must also be precise and detailed because trading in currencies requires real money, so you have to be careful in choosing a trading robot, and usually a trading robot that can last a long time and be consistent is with reasonable profit. It all depends on the dynamic market and the configuration of the trading robot itself. In the next stage, we will explain how to use the HotEA trading bot, so that's enough, fellow traders. See you soon.